Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We are at Superbooth 2018. This is Marcel on the Modor stand. Sorry, I threw up a hand then, sorry.
Hello.
Modor, everywhere's Modor. Obviously you made the NF1 synth, we've looked at that already, and then there's the formant filter, but today you're going to show us the comb filter.
Yeah, today we have a filter module that is ready. The design is finished. It will take a little more time before it's in the shop, but not too long.
Okay.
And it's the comb filter.
Yeah.
That's, let's say, a complex name for a unit that can make chorus and flanger effects.
Yeah.
But you can also go a bit beyond that.
Cool,
I'll
go.
give a little demonstration?
Yes, please do, please do.
So, we have the dry signal now. Here's the dry wet mix. So now the effect comes in. Now you hear a typical flanger. This is negative feedback. This is positive feedback. It's difference in sound. There is an LFO inside that's normal to this CV output. But of course here you can input anything else. So now there is some rhythmical CV signal modulating the delay parameter. So that's basically what it does. Now it is in a, let's say, in a more flanger style, but let's give it a little less feedback and a somewhat longer delay. This starts sounding like a chorus, for example. So that's basically what it does. A comb filter is an effect unit that mixes the input signal with a slightly delayed version of the input signal. And then when you modulate the delay time, this short delay time, then you get chorus, flanger and all kind of effects. That's what it's doing.
In a nutshell. And now we've seen, this is just a prototype.
Oh yeah, indeed.
But you have
I almost forgot.
The noisy oscillator is your other new thing here.
This is still under construction. That's the noisy oscillator that allows, just as on the NF1, as on the big synthesizer, to layer a normal waveform, let's say a sawtooth, square and a triangle wave, with a second layer of special tonal noise. And these tonal noise waveforms are already in the NF1 synthesizer, and because it is special enough, now we also take it to the modular world.
That's brilliant, yeah. How far away is this going to be coming to us, real people in the real world?
Let's say it will take us 2 more months to develop this.
Yeah.
And then it takes for the manufacturing like also 2 to 3 months, so it will be after the summer, let's say.
Yeah, autumn time.
October, should be before Christmas.
Brilliant. Okay, thank you very much, Marcel.
Thank you.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment and share wherever you're seeing this video right now, and head on over to musicradar.com for the latest news, reviews and tutorials, and we'll have more videos from Superbooth for you soon. Cheers.